I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing both devices and then remove the old connection. First, make sure battery levels are sufficient and Bluetooth is turned on. Next, close any apps that use Bluetooth to avoid conflicts. This prevents automatic reconnections. Now open the Bluetooth settings on the host device and find the target device in the paired list. Tap Remove, Forget, or Unpair. This severs stored keys. Once done, power cycle the target device if it stays discoverable. You now handle the tricky middle steps and ensure a clean pairing slate. If the host still sees the device, clear Bluetooth cache or reset network settings. That removes stale data. Meanwhile, put the accessory into pairing mode, consult LED patterns, or hold the designated button until it blinks. On the host, scan for new devices. Select the accessory name when it appears, confirm passkeys or accept pairing prompts. Make sure both devices stay within 1 to 3 minutes. Finish by confirming the new connection and addressing common failures. Once paired, test the link, play audio, transfer a file, or check the Bluetooth icon to confirm functionality. If the connection drops or pairing fails, reboot both devices and attempt pairing immediately. Quick retries often succeed. If problems persist, undo previous steps. Forget the device on both sides, factory reset the accessory as a last resort, then repeat pairing. One key tip: temporarily disable other nearby Bluetooth devices to eliminate interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.